Welcome to the Brand Icon of the Year Awards 2021. This program showcases entrepreneurs and professionals from the MSME sector for their contributions to the Indian economy and business ecosystem. Plugin PR presents Brand Icon of the Year Awards to Pooja Narula Sharma, CEO of Creative Designing.
Welcome to the Brand Icon of the Year show, Pooja.
Thank you.
You are you're an interior designer and you've been running this company for 15 years now. How has
Yeah.
been the last 2 years, the lockdown due to pandemic? How has that impacted your business?
Actually, it impacted a lot on my business because lots of my stuff gets imported from outside. So half of my projects were left in between only because I couldn't get the raw materials needed. But then it gave me an opportunity also, like lots of online consultations I got during this time, and people wanted to know more about designs and everything through online. Earlier it was through meetings and through physical presence, but now people are comfortable, like sitting in Meerut, I can design for a place in Mumbai also, thanks to this 2 years, because people are now used to this talking through phone and talking through laptop now. So it has I can't say that it has badly damaged my business. It's 50-50. It has damaged also and it has improved also my business.
Do you see yourself, carrying on with this hybrid model where you will engage with your potential clients or customers through online or using technology to engage with them, where you share your ideas and also probably meet them in person? Would that be part of your business going forward?
I think for the next 1 year, we will be continuing the same, at least 1 year, because we already have different teams in different areas now. So now, instead of I traveling with my 15 years long team to that place, I have appointed different people in those places. So things become easy, like I talk through this Zoom or something, and I tell them that what the design you have to make, and there they take my designs and they follow my instructions. So my business have wider scope now. I feel that instead of only North India, I can extend my business to other places also, while contacting or coming in contact with more interior designers. So I feel that in next 2 years it will be the same pattern only. We can't travel to all the places now as we used to do it before freely.
And would you prefer, even if the lockdown or the pandemic finishes, would you prefer to continue with this model?
No, I will not prefer continuing with this model because seeing is believing. So till now, I have seen the material myself. I have picked myself, touching it and feeling, and then only I have purchased those raw material. Now I'm doing it only through online portals. So that satisfaction of real creative designing is not coming. So I won't continue this further if I will get this opportunity in future.
As an interior designer, how much of when you're coming up building a design, how much of your work or a product do you pick up from local market, from the Indian no from Indian manufacturers?
It depends on my clients. If the budget of the client says that we don't want to spend much, I pick from the local markets. But sometimes my client says that they want something very extraordinary, something unseen, something real creative theme-based designing. That I can really don't get good option from local market. For that, I prefer the imported stuff. Otherwise, the cement and you can say bricks and flooring, all these I take from the local market only. But some exclusive designing, if some clients ask for, it is important.
uh, Interior is also a form of art. So, artisans have their own signature style. What is your signature style?
Till now, I've done mix of commercial and residential projects, but my signature style is I never do a normal designing. I always pick up a theme and then work on that theme and then I implement on that design. So if you pick any of my designs, they are always theme-based designs. They are never the normal
Could you
market
elaborate
work
on that?
designs.
Could you elaborate on that as to what do you mean by when you say theme? I mean, technically, what
Okay.
happens? is my understanding correct that you decide a theme for the client, or the client decides a theme and then you start working around it? How does
No, clients have no idea about themes. So it's when we meet together, we talk. I ask them what you want. जैसे कई clients said, just give me a Google pic कि ma'am, if you could get my home or my club made like this. But some people say, ma'am, we want something very extraordinary. Then I tell them that yes, you can go for theme and we can do the designing accordingly. I give them the options, like we can do the traditional themes, we can go with sun, sand, sea, we can go with the royal themes. Then they ask that what will be there in this. Then I explain them that the furniture designing, the accessories, the colors, all will be inspired with these particular theme only. So anyone who will be entering your space will come to know that it is not a normal place, it is a conceptualized place. Socha hua hai, samjha hua hai, and then it has been implemented. So that is a theme designing I'm talking about. And definitely I discuss with clients, I give them the option 4-5 themes, and then they decide one. They see the pictures at what I'm planning and all, and then they give me a tick mark and I go ahead accordingly.
Plugin PR presents virtual brand icon for the year 2021 for 14 years of long work in interior designing for businesses to Pooja Narula Sharma, CEO of Creative Designing.
I'm very happy and really honored to receive this award. And I'm sure this award is an, you can say, it will give me an inspiration to do more better and grab this award again next year.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to hosting you, in our future episodes. Thank you.